There's a certain kind of magic in orchids, and none more charming than the Cymbidium. In the wild, Cymbidiums grow both on the ground and high up in trees, with around 40 known species in the genus. But today, it's the miniature Cymbidiums that truly steal the show, compact little wonders with a big presence. These tiny powerhouses can produce up to 30 blooms in a single season. The flowers themselves can be scented, and come in a stunning range of colors, from deep mahogany red to soft pinks, sunny yellows, fresh greens, and crisp whites. Each bloom opens in sequence along the stem, over several weeks in late spring and early summer. And once open, they last for about 6 weeks, giving you a long-lasting floral display. Even in a small pot between 15 to 25 centimeters, a mature miniature Cymbidium can send up more than 6 flower spikes in one growing season. Small in size, but big in beauty. Some varieties are especially worth knowing. Cymbidium canaliculatum, often called the black orchid, is truly striking. It produces many small, deep maroon flowers, almost black, edged with lemon yellow. It loves warm conditions, but can also tolerate cooler winters, making it a great choice for patios or shady verandas. Then there's Cymbidium devonianum, a miniature species that forms the backbone of many popular hybrids. It has leathery pale green leaves, and flower stems that carry up to 18 yellowish-green flowers marked with deep purple. The lip of each flower is a rich purplish red, making it a real standout. Among hybrids, 2 names to remember are Cymbidium, Minuet, and Cymbidium, Peter Pan. Minuet produces about 20 flowers per stem, usually in green, brown, or yellow tones, with a lip spotted in a darker shade. Peter Pan offers greenish-yellow blooms, 10 to 15 per stem, with a mahogany-spotted lip, charming and cheerful. To grow Cymbidiums successfully, start with the right conditions. They like bright light, but not direct sunlight. Indoors, place them near a window with filtered light. Outdoors, dappled shade is ideal. They thrive in high humidity. Keep pots on trays of damp pebbles and mist the plants daily, especially when temperatures are above 18 degrees Celsius. In winter, they appreciate a brief rest at around 15 degrees. Water them moderately, just enough to moisten the mix, and allow the top centimeter to dry out between waterings. During the short winter rest, reduce watering to a minimum, just enough to keep them from drying out completely. Feed with a liquid fertilizer every 2 weeks during the active growing season. It helps fuel those beautiful blooms. When it comes to potting, use a mix of soil-based compost, sphagnum moss, and osmunda fiber, about 2 parts fiber to 1 part each of the others. Repot every second year, just after flowering. If your plant outgrows its pot, divide it. To propagate, divide the plant right after it's done flowering. Gently wash away the old mix and cut through the rhizome with a clean knife. Each section should have at least 2 pseudobulbs and some roots. The back bulbs won't bloom again, but they'll eventually produce new growth. Pot up the new divisions in fresh mix, leaving space for them to grow forward. For the first month, water lightly, just enough to stop the mix from drying out. Mist them once a day. After that, treat them just like mature plants. With the right care, Cymbidiums will reward you with years of vivid color and elegant form, a true joy for orchid lovers, beginners and collectors alike. Thanks for listening, and happy growing.